Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be getting ready for me to go to my grandma and grandpa's and also see my best friend that I haven't seen in like a month or so. So yeah, let's get started. This will include me packing and getting ready because I just got out of the shower and I have to like look decent. Also, I'm going by bus, so like I just have to hurry. This was a very spontaneous trip to there. I don't even know how long I'm staying and I still haven't even packed, which is crazy. Thank God that I'm not gonna need to do anything for my hair. I'm just gonna like blow dry it if she doesn't air dry by the time I have to leave. So currently it's around 12 p.m. and my first bus that I can catch is at 1. It's in the city next to us, so we have quite a bit of like a journey to go there because during the weekends, the city next to us is just filled with people, cars, so it's gonna be a journey because the Aurobus station is at like the end of the city, so I need to hurry, but at the same time I cannot hurry because I can't be me. I have to hurry, but I still haven't packed, and this was a very like spontaneously done trip. Like I haven't planned like I thought that I'm gonna go, but like not fully. So now here I am just going. I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on my cheeks a little bit because I just need some hydration because my skin is very bad. And after yesterday's appointment to my cosmetologist, she recommended that I put more hydration into my skin. So I'm not gonna do absolutely any makeup. I'm just gonna like get ready because I really don't have any time to lose. So I have to leave faster, but at the same time, if I don't catch like the bus at 1 o'clock, I'll catch it at 2:30. But I'm not gonna sit there and wait like hour and a half before I have to like board the bus. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Like I'm just gonna like try and catch it then, and I don't even know how much I'm gonna stay there. I literally saw my grandparents last weekend, but my best friend is in town, so I am like about to go and see him because I haven't seen him in a month because he's been like competing all the time, and I just haven't been really in the base training because I had like English classes until this week. So like this week I've just finished them, so I'm finally able to go in the base and just train a little bit. So yeah, I'm just putting the cream. I'm rushing so hard. My front pieces are being so bad, but also it's very hot. So I'm not gonna do anything much. And they're not gonna judge me. Like no one's gonna judge me. And I feel like when I go to this place, the town where I'm going, I just feel safe. I don't know why, but like I feel so much safer and so much more like secured, and like nothing's gonna happen, and like I have friends there, and I feel like it's like my place, and it's it's smaller town than mine. But anyway, we're gonna go. I have some very bad pimples over here and on my forehead as well, but I'm not gonna deal with them. Also, I'll have to like pack something, but I'm not gonna spend much time getting ready because I just, like I said, I don't have any time. And I think I'm ready. I only like my brows a little bit, but they're not even very important. I hate going by bus alone because I'm gonna be alone. in the bus. Like, I will not have anyone with me. So it's gonna be like my first time going to my grandparents all alone, because first, like, I've only gone by bus to there only once, and I was with my best friend. So I was not fully alone, and I enjoyed it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of dipping glare, brush my hair, and start blow drying it. I really don't need to do makeup. Like, this is all I'm packing, and this is basically all like Vaseline, lip glosses, the gel that I'm gonna use, gonna clean my face with, perfume, my serum, deodorant, toiletries, like claw clip. Of course, everything has to fall down. Here I was just waiting for the bus in front of it to hop on it, and here we were just leaving the town, and this was a very beautiful lake. I took like 100 pictures of it because it was very pretty, and the whole time I was just listening to music, and that's all. Everyone, I just got off the bus, what am I talking, the bus, and I'll tell you a little bit like about the journey to get there. I don't remember the road to be that long, because I was like in the bus for like 2 hours. Was it for 2 hours? Like 1 o'clock, 2, and now it's 3:15. Yeah, it's 2 hours. But it was overall fine. Like, next to me, I was sitting like in the back where it has like 4 seats, and I was on the most left, like the last left, and there was a person next to me, like on my right side, and she was yelling because when she got on the bus, she was yelling because she doesn't have any space to put her bags. Keep in mind the space in the bus is very small, so like it's not like a regular bus, it's like very mini tiny bus. So there was one woman, it's a girl, but like she's a woman. She was literally sitting straight up, and she was standing up the whole time while she had to when she had to stop. So I was like, I didn't have any space, so my backpack was like on my knee, and I was just trying to figure out what's happening. But now now I'm waiting for my grandparents to come and pick me up. I'm gonna meet up with my best friend later tonight because now it's very hot, and still it's a little cooler here than my town, because in my town it's just crazy. It's worse. Like, in my town it's worse. The heat is feeling so much more than here. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's getting a little late, and now I have to pay a little bit of attention to my cousin, little one. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here because it's getting a little late now. I'm waiting for my ride to come, and I'm gonna hang out with my best friend afterwards. So yeah, and it's gonna get a little later, and I have to pay attention to my little cousin right now. So if you like this vlog, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.